What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to Kicking It with Astro, and we back with another video for y'all. Another one. And in this video, it's another sneaker unboxing. I couldn't just stop my addiction. I don't really think it's an addiction. I think it's actually just me being stressed. And then I just said, you know what? Yeah, I deserve this. Also, my birthday's coming up, so I guess guilty pleasure. But if you're new to this channel, subscribe. If you already been here, much love to y'all. Thank you for your continual support. I appreciate it. Like, comment. I always love hearing from y'all. With today's episode, I'm not gonna lie, I look crazy. I'm tired. I had a long day at work. I have a long day tomorrow. I'm also doing things on the fashion scene, and it's just, I'm tired. I got designer bags under my eyes, man. But honestly, this is the life that I asked for, so I had to just continuously keep working, get through every obstacle, anything that bothers me, whatever, and just keep pushing. So, got some sneakers. And I ain't gonna lie, I like the brand that Nike collabed with this shoe. I just don't know how I feel about the shoe itself. I wasn't really a Penny Hardaway type of, guy that just wore pennies and stuff like that. But I did have this thought after I bought my Air Bacons, right? After the previous video, I was thinking maybe I should do this whole run where I'm just collecting vintage throwback sneakers. Like, if I could find myself a pair of All-Star Big Bang LeBron 9s. If I can find myself a pair of KD4 All-Stars. Like, I was thinking about just copping a whole bunch of basketball sneakers that people used to wear. Because, like, a lot of people wore KD4s. Like, you couldn't walk in the street without seeing everyone with a pair. So, I don't know. Air Pennies? I see people with Air Pennies, I ain't gonna lie, but certain collabs, I'm just like, got the shoe looking right. Got the shoe looking real right. I ain't gonna lie. Whoever handles my boxes, please stop denting the boxes. This kills me. This right there kills me. Like, box looks all like, yo, take care of the box. But anyways, this is how the box looks. This is, another Nike collab. You dig. Got the, Stüssy on the front, on the back. And these are Air Penny 2s. Not gonna lie, I saw these online. I only bought them because they were Stüssy. If you want the honest truth with me, I only bought them because they were Stüssy. I am a whore for Stüssy. And I've always wanted like a whole collection of it, but I just couldn't afford it at the time. Now I'm like, I'm an adult. Like, I love that brand. Like, the shirts, the hoodies and the sweatshirts. Oh, comfortable as fuck. But they came out with a collab with the Air Penny 2s. They have other collab, but they have an Air Force One collab. And I need that. That might be coming soon. I need that. But y'all know how I'm a whore for color laces and different laces, man. I love these. And with the blue, you're gonna see why. Like, when you see the shoe, you're gonna see why. Yo, these go hard. I don't have anything this color in my closet. I need to find something, but the blue on this just makes it pop. And then the air bubble too. Like, yo, this is a basketball shoe. I ain't gonna lie to you. Like, Penny Hardaway wore this fucking shoe all the time. And this is the second version. Like, the first version, I don't even know how it looked, but oh, that's fire. That's Penny Hardaway's like logo, and it has the Stüssy logo like kind of infused. That's hard. I like the laces. The laces are like feels like not yarn. I don't know the other word for it, but it has like a gritty type of feel. Like, I guess it's not easy to dirty the laces and stuff like that. Laces have a little bit of brown in them. Hold on. I like that. I like that. The tongue has a Nike check on the front. And a little, like, I guess, jewel type of thing. I love sneakers that have these, because I just be pulling on these shits to put my shoe on. But overall, the shoe goes crazy. Something calm, too. Like, I started thinking to myself, if I'm gonna start doing videos on like certain shoes and certain sneakers, I'm gonna like get like the craziest shoe, the shoe that like mad people don't have, and like just cop it, do a review, wear it, obviously, because y'all know after this video, come on now, straight to the feet, straight to the feet. But these are a calm cop. Like, I'm hype about this. This is like crack. Yo, like, new shoe smell is just, it's like the smell of a new car. For those that like the smell of a new car, new shoe. Wait a minute. Oh, that's fire. In the front it says Stüssy 2 dads. Yo, details. It's details about a shoe that actually really get me. It's not like necessarily the shoe itself, but like the little hidden details and stuff like that. I love it. Definitely thinking about putting black laces on. I mean, these are kind of like black, brown type of laces, I guess, but yeah. Oh shit. I have music playing in the background. And okay, yeah, YouTube just went to a fucking advertisement. Fuck, I hate YouTube. We're doing that. And I'm speaking about YouTube and I'm posting this on YouTube. That's crazy. But yeah, stop with the double advertisement, YouTube, please. Like, a 2-minute, 40-minute advertisement is crazy to me. Why are you playing an MGK song as an advertisement, bro? Like, I'm sorry to go off track, y'all, but that's crazy to me. I don't be asking for this. And I'm not paying to get no ads. Who the fuck wants to listen to MGK? Nah. Threw my whole vibe off. Threw the whole vibe of the video off. I'm sorry, y'all. Let's get back to business. But MGK as an advertisement, bro, is wild. If he ends up seeing this, I don't care. MGK, you're not a good fucking rapper, bro. Like, please. Please, bro. But honestly, overall, this shit was crazy. It just looks crazy. Even like these, like the little wave part right here too. Like, I already know how my style is. I know I'm gonna wear this, and like not even on like a crazy fit. I could wear this on some throw some sweats on. It's already matching with the hat, and that's crazy. I just peeped. Some calm shit. Just go outside. It's already matching with the shirt. Yo, I did not plan this. I did not plan this. I'm very humble as a person when it comes to me being a stylist, but I'm really just that fucking good. I'm just that fucking good. This was not planned. I'm just, yo, thank God. Like, he gave me this talent. I'm just that good. But overall, yeah, it's a good cop. I'm gonna come through with some more kicks, man. Just wait on it. Just wait on it. Got some, it's some crazy shit's coming out. I heard next year, but this is next year though. Like, it blew mine. I heard about it today though. They're coming out with, I think, olive 5s again. If you know, you know. I need. But I have like a whole list on like the Go app of like sneakers that I want to like get, and each shoe I'm doing a video on. So I'm coming with content. But even with the back, like the back goes. Even with the back goes crazy. Like, just that blue, and it being that like that type of hue of a blue, I love it. But yeah, man, little sneaker unboxing right out of work. I'm tired. I have a long day tomorrow. The grind just don't stop. Like, I'm in a robe. Like, I'm chilling. I'm going to get some food after this, and I'm knocking out, going straight to sleep. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I really enjoy these shoes. Like I'm really starting to enjoy these shoes. And I know when I unlace them and like lace them the way I want to. Oh man, they have a green pair of these. Need them. Need them. These are cool, but the green ones look. But I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I'm glad I'm back in a more reasonable time with another video. It was like, what, 3 weeks since the last one? So I'm trying to do better, but I will do better. Love y'all. I shall cut you out.